Hey guys, we'll be drawing bubbles from PowerPuff Girls. Let's start with the head. Make it an oval. And then add one eye it's gonna be half a circle, and then the other should be the whole circle because she's in an angle. And then add the hair, little bumps, and then the hair, two circles, and then the arcs. We add two and two circles on the other arm. Two curved lines for the body, and then the feet, little bumps. Then three lines for the dress, and then two lines on the bottom for the feet, and then go over with marker. Color in the shoes in the middle line of the dress, and then do the hair first. And then we'll do the eyes. Then color in the eyes. And erase. Alright, now it's time to color. So Bubbles is all blue. Her dress, her eyes, and her hair balls. I don't know what they're called. It's a hair tie that has little balls. And then her hair is yellow. But you can color however you want. Go ahead and subscribe if you liked the video and you would like to see more videos like this one. Thank you.